Hey guys, I am here with another patient testimonial. This is Edward Frazier. He is on a low carb journey and has had tremendous results, and I'm so proud of him. I literally got goosebumps hearing him remind me about the journey that we've taken together, and I am so proud of him. And I just want this for everybody. I want everybody to have the opportunity to heal just by changing their diet. So my friend, tell my audience on YouTube what have you done and what has it changed?
I started following the keto recommendations. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't do 100% of it. I did about 85% of it. And as a result, I haven't taken my metformin. I stopped taking it after a month. I lost 40 pounds. I've consistently kept it off, and my A1C went from probably an 8 and now it's down to in the 5s.
Yes.
With no medication whatsoever. Just changing my diet, watching what I eat, sticking as close to keto as possible made a major difference.
And you didn't have to be perfect. That's the key. You said as much as possible. So you don't have to be perfect, guys, but you got to do better than what you've been doing. You also had a little bit of a conversation with me about the statins, and I'm like, well, how long have you been taking the statins, and what was your response?
I didn't take it because I knew that, that medication was going to have side effects, and I just worked on watching what I ate and trying to walk more, and my numbers are looking good.
And that's the funny part, guys, is that, first of all, the American Heart Association says that if you have a 0 calcium score, which he does, you don't really have to take a statin. Now, that's not standard of care, so if your doctor's still encouraging you to take a statin, they're doing standard of care. But the American Heart Association is saying you don't have to take a statin if you have a 0 calcium score. And you don't have to worry about all those side effects. So have a conversation with your doctor about getting a calcium score test, and you can avoid that. And this is the beautiful thing about your situation, is that your tests got better in spite of that. So eating a keto diet, which is high in fat and things like that, actually improved your cholesterol. So a lot of people don't know that. Another thing you said was this sleep apnea issue. So what happened there?
Well, once I started making the changes from what I was eating and I lost the weight, I went back and got my sleep apnea checked, and it was gone, disappeared. No issues.
No issues. So this is what's possible, guys, by simply making lifestyle changes. I am not anti-medicine. Some people need to be on metformin to bridge themselves. Some people may need to be on a statin. But at the end of the day, if you want to heal, and if we want all the clinicians in the world to do a better job, we would only ask them to find out, why do I need a statin? Why do I need a metformin in the first place? And it's mostly about inflammation. And if we reduce the thing that causes inflammation, we will heal. So I just want you to hear from my good friend, patient, who has had tremendous results, who put butterflies in my stomach today, and I hope he did the same for you. I thank you so much, my brother, for sharing your message.
You're welcome. Follow the process and you can help heal yourself.
Amen to that.